What's up guys, and in today's video we'll be unboxing this Comtech SF-666 condenser professional microphone. So as you can see, this is the microphone itself. I received the package like this. I just opened it to check if there was like no damage. So this is the microphone itself, and the price for this is 1K, and you get around 2-meter long wire. The wire quality is also pretty good, and this is the microphone itself. It says condenser microphone over here, and this is the front of the microphone, and this is the back. And yeah, the full part is made up of plastic over here as well. This is not plastic, and this is a piece of rubber over here, and it is not detachable, it's just fixed. You cannot remove it. So let's keep this to the side, and you get this mini tripod. Just have to open it like this, and you can keep it over here. Let me keep it to the side. And you also get this splitter. Here you can connect the microphone's wire, this one over here, as you can see. And here you can connect earphone like this, and here this one you can connect it to any of your phone. This looks very premium, this thing. So let's keep these two to the side, and this is the stand, as you can see. So to fit it, you will have to put it inside and rotate it. This is how you mount it. As you can see, you can just talk from this side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the audio, and I'll show you guys a sample. So plug this to my phone. Okay, so I have plugged it into my phone. So this is the audio you're hearing from this Comtech condenser microphone. So I'm talking from the front, and I'm now talking from the top, and now I'm talking from the side. As I'm holding it with my hand, there might be some kind of disturbances, but if you are like mounting it, like keeping it on a still place, then there should not be any kind of disturbances. So let me remove the microphone right now. Okay, so guys, I have removed the microphone. So that was the audio check. Hope you liked this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.